Staffus?
Miss Staffus.
Honk for God!
Woo!
Oh, wait, we need that shit.
He gave us a thumb. He was like, okay, that counts.
That counts. That's a
That
thumb.
counts.
Minivans are actually the ones that most believe in the count.
I know, because they have
And kids. Hey, the cars.
Let someone we know drive by and be like, what the fuck?
Yeah,
What the hell?
Like you say, get up there. Honk for God! I love how the old people. I love how the old people like drive by like trying to read the sign.
God.
Car.
Sideways.
Minivan.
Car. Ooh, minivan.
Honk for God! God loves you! Hey, he gave
Fist
a
bump.
fist pump. Honk for God!
Woo!
Okay,
Wave.
wave. Honk for God! God loves you! Woo!
Woo!
Now that way.
Like turning back and forth.
Woo!
Go this way.
Here, Dana, back up from the street.
Woo! You're turning. Woo!
You wave.
Woo!
Honk for God!
Honk for God!
Honk for God! You wave.
Wave.
Have the car. God, you'll drag it to me. Have no life.
I know, right?
I want to wait. Scooch a little that way. Let's see if I can do a car whip.
Woo! Honk for God! I love you!
Nod.
Honk for love! Yeah, we should do that one next. Send our troops home.
Ooh, car.
Car, Dana. This looks like Dana's car, actually.
That looks like Dan's car, actually.
Okay.
Dan's
Epic! Honk for God! Watch me like, what the hell are we doing?
Oh, no, it's not.
Honk for God!
Woo! Honk for God!
No, don't turn, honk for God. If you deny me in front of your peers, I will deny you in front of my Father at the gates of heaven. Honk for God. That was two. The neighbors are probably like, what the fuck is going on?
We should have like someone down there with another sign that says like you're going to hell and be like, okay, this red car denied, and be like, you're going to hell.
You're going to hell.
Wow, do you have another whiteboard, Ray?
No.
Kathy, do you have a whiteboard?
No.
Like, it's just someone else standing there like with a sign. These guys are idiots.
It's going insane. Or like honk for the devil or something. You have a cross in your windshield. God, this is
Your
great.
Asian neighbors are probably like, what the hell are they doing?
I know, they're probably
like,
my mom's like,
We should move this to Larson's driveway, guys.
Not really, Dana.
Dana, not really.
Honk for
Dana,
God.
not really.
Dana, come back.
Woo! Honk for God!
Dana, come
Woo! Woo!
No, come back.
Come back, Dana! Oh, my foot still has a little message on it.
Come and see here. We have this. And the video recording. We have Jesus. Get out of the road, Krawcheck.
Woo! Get back in.
Guys, come back.
Come on back.
Come back.
Let's do something else now.
We should do honk for Batman.
Batman. Da 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 da. Ooh, car.
Batman shorts.
Woo!
What should we do next, guys?
You want to burn incense?
Not yet. This is fun.
I know.
What do you guys want to do next?
Something
Burn
stupid.
incense.
I'm gonna go get something to drink.
Okay, here.
You got
Guys,
20
what
minutes.
should we put next?
I'm
going to follow Ray.
What should we do?
I think we should do honk for Batman. It's like that might work. Really?
Oh, shit.
What?
That. No, that's not mine.
I don't think that's
I'm still recording.